Big storm, heavy rain. The wind has been blowing like crazy, and you can't see it, but over there one of my elm trees came down, so I'm gonna have some work to do. And now it's hailing. I can hear the hail on the skylight. This was a pretty good storm. We weren't expecting this. I missed the big wind. It was really whipping a minute ago. But you can see what's going on here. That was a hailstone. And you can see the rain blowing nearly sideways in my backyard. This is a big storm. And now we have marble-sized hail. We had some before, but now we've got more. You can see better that elm tree that's down. Wow, that was a big one, nearly got me. Still raining a little bit, but I thought I'd come out and look at the aftermath. The trash bins are blown down. Look at all the leaves that the hail knocked out of the trees. Wind took that limb off. There's another limb back there down. I'll stand those up in a minute. But this is the biggie. This big 12-inch elm came down. More limbs. More limbs. Maybe a little hollow, but not bad. I mean, that was in the middle. But hollow trees will stand, and they'll withstand wind. That's all clean break. At least it didn't hit the neighbor's fence. This is going to be a lot of work, folks. But if there had been a car, which there was this morning, sitting here on this pad, it would be hurting. Let me go check around some more.